This is a video for Level 1 Flute Summer Song. We're going to start at letter A where the flute comes in, and we're only going to go up to letter I, which is where the odd tempo is, because that's the same thing as the beginning. Some things to watch out for. At the beginning you have low notes, so your first note is low G and not, so make sure you're starting low. Letter C, we introduce A flat, so make sure you're doing A flat, so there's an A flat towards the beginning and towards the end of that section. Letter D is the same thing as letter A, so it's just a repeat. Letter E, we have to make sure we start really quiet, piano, and crescendo to forte. Again, there's some A flats here. Letter F, if you need to catch a breath before the long B at the end of the phrase, then you can breathe in between the C and the B in the second measure of letter F. Letter G is just a pattern. It's B flat G C, and then B flat G D, and then B flat G E, and then D C. So I might practice one at a time. B G C, B G C, B G C a few times, and then B G D. Notice for B G D, look, B G D. You only take that off for G to D, G to D, and then B G E is easy. B G E, everything. B G E, everything. And then you go D C. Letter H, we have a little pattern that goes down a scale. And remember, A flats in this, and we get quieter and we slow down. So make sure you bring those two things and make them obvious that you're doing both slowing down and getting quieter. Okay, here's letter A from the beginning. 1, 2, ready. One, two, 1, 2. One more thing I forgot to mention. Letter G, you should probably start quiet again so that you have room to crescendo. And at the very, very end, the last note, you might want to hold that out. It's originally written for 4 beats, so I might want to hold that out for 5 or 6 beats. Watch out for your slurs at the beginning. And have fun. Enjoy.